Okay guys, we are back today with kind of a different video for the channel. If you're a subscriber in general, you know, I make car videos, but it's gonna be a different video today. It's gonna be an unboxing of the all-new Wing bike. This has been out, they've been advertising it for about a year now. And there was a bunch of Kickstarters going on and early release, early bird stuff, and I got on the early bird special, so I saved a couple $100 on this if I, you know, had ordered it like about 2 months ago. So here it is. I'm going to make a video of it. There's not a whole lot of videos on these bikes as they just came out, so I'd like to be one of the few out there, or one of the first ones, showing you what the bike is all about. As I said, this is made by Wing, as you can see here. I've been waiting on it for, like I said, almost 2 months now, and I'm really excited. So as you can see, the box in general, it got pretty beat up. I think it came from California. So as you can see, here's the box. I said it got beat up a little bit, but I just sprayed out my address and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna try to clip this together as best as I can. I'm not great with editing, but we'll try it out. The one I did get is the Freedom Fatty with the fatter wheels and tires. So here we go. So we got the top off here, and I'm not gonna bore you with me pulling it out or anything, but this is just me opening the top of the box right here. The bike, I believe, is they advertise it's 95% assembled. All I have to do is put the front wheel on and the handlebars, it looks like. But here's what it is in the box. As I said, it got a little bit beat up on the way. I mean, it traveled 2,000 miles, so you know, here it is. The fenders are all assembled. I did order the optional fenders. Here's the other wheel right here, and yeah, piece it together when we get this out of the box. All right, so we got the bike out of the box, and as you can see from the previous clip, it was just packaged really good. I don't see any damage to the bike or anything. There was one little thing I'll note here in a minute, but here's everything that the bike has: the front fender, the front wheel, and here it is. So I haven't even put nothing together on it, but I just wanted to show you. There, you're gonna be doing a lot of cutting, so it is packaged quite well. I want to add that, but upon taking it out of the box, I did actually opt for the LCD screen and throttle right there. And the screen appears to have been broke somewhat in shipment, so I know the company is pretty good on getting back to me, but we'll update as far as that goes. We'll see how the company chooses to respond and fix it. But yeah, the next clip we'll probably have the bike together, and we'll see how it all turns out. Okay guys, we are back right now with the bike. As you can see, it's about 98% put together. The only thing I really haven't been able to figure out is how to get the front fender on. I emailed the company about it, so hopefully they can give me some sort of write-up or direction on how to get the front fender to attach. I'm guessing it's probably right here, but I cannot seem to get a clearance for the fender, the lip from the fender, to get the bracket on there. So I'll wait back from them from that. And in the meantime, when I was putting the bike together, about the LCD screen, they wrote me back, of course, and they're gonna send me another one, so that'll be taken care of in a couple days here. That'll be followed up with the next update I have on this bike, probably in a couple weeks or so. But I wanted to get an unboxing video of the bike, of the Wing, the all-new Wing bike. It's met my expectations, guys. For a $1,200 bike, for an e-bike that is, it's on the lower end, so you're not gonna get amazing quality. I mean, these things go up to $5 grand easy for an e-bike. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm pretty thrilled with it. And as you can see, I live in a rural area, so that's why I went with the Fatty. It does handle these roads pretty good. So if you live in kind of a rural area, I'd recommend the Fatty. There's a little bit more resistance, rolling resistance, but I think it's well worth it. And I was cruising at 20 miles an hour with throttle only. And again, that's with the low battery, so I'm sure I can get it a little bit above that if I pedal. But I bought an e-bike for a reason. I don't plan to do a lot of pedaling, so here it is. I'm really happy with it. Again, the pedal assist is spot on. It's a little finicky, but it takes some getting used to. And you also have the hub-driven motor, which is this is a high-dollar option, so that's pretty cool. They put a hub-driven motor there instead of a spindle. But yeah, looking at the bike, as I said, there's somewhat of a cheapness to it. Again, it's on the lower end of e-bikes, but it's not bad at all. It certainly has met my expectations. Really happy with it. Disc brakes right there. And the battery, of course, is right here. Seat is pretty comfortable. It has really nice leather stitched grips. We have a horn right here as well. So here's the key it comes with. So basically the key is to unlock the battery right there. You can check your battery level right there. So you can see we're just about dead. So that'll get me back to the house. But here's the key fob. As I said, you can lock it, unlock it. There is a way to set an alarm on this bike if it does get jogged, but I can't seem to trip the alarm. So if you have some cars going over here, but already to get cut off there. I'm in the middle of the road trying to make this video, so a bunch of cars did come rolling by. But as I was saying, we do have a little key fob right here. You have a lock, unlock, and a power. So to lock it, just make a little chime. You come up to it, you try to unlock it. There you go. You hit the little power button on the little LCD display. It does power up. It's your pedal assist options, as you can see. This one is broke, so we can't really see what's going on there, and I'm not 100% sure what it does say, but I'm just guessing it's like levels 1 through 5 as far as pedal assist goes. So when you do turn the display on, it does power up your horn. It's not all that loud, so I'm guessing the battery's probably either low or it's just not a loud horn. But again, it's a bike on a budget, e-bike on a budget. So one more quick walk around. I can't figure out how to turn the lights on. I don't know if they power up when I ride, but I'm sure we'll update you on the next video. I think I covered everything as far as the unboxing goes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and again, I'll link the next video in a couple weeks when there is one. So thanks for watching, guys.